In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your data in WIDS. So go to the WIDS website and then enter your credentials in here. Quick note, your password for WIDS is probably different than the password for your WSU Tech email. So if you forgot it, just do forget password right here, forgot password, and then it'll walk you through the process of retrieving it or getting a new one. So once you log in, you'll come to a screen like this. And look to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see this little button here on the bottom that says Site Explorer. You click on that. It'll bring you to this page. Here, click on Advanced Search here on the left-hand side. Okay, it'll just take a second. Okay, now it brings you to this screen, and you'll notice that there's a search bar right here. So in that bar, enter the prefix for your program. For example, Allied Health is ALH, so let's just use that one for example's sake, ALH. And then you type that in and then click here where it says search. All right, give it a second, and then the hits will appear in this box here in the bottom. So notice that Allied Health, the program, is the first hit, and that's the one that you want. You don't want any course level, you want the program level, so you click on the row for program. Okay, and then it'll bring you to this screen here, and the next step is you want to click on this on the top menu bar here, the Program Assessment Plans option. Okay, now you need to click on the year that you're obviously looking for. So this year is 1920. So look for the academic year 1920 and then your program. So click on that. And then you'll come to this screen. Next, last step is click on OAP plan right here. And then once that pops up, you'll see a couple things. So you'll see the plan, the assessment plan that lists the things being assessed over here on the left-hand side, how you're assessing it kind of in the middle of the table, and then on the right column here, on the outer right column, is the linked document. So this is the links to the files that we will have uploaded that will be the data for that academic year that you're going to use to download and then analyze and then use for your summary analysis. So quick note here, you'll see right now there's only the fall 2019 data listed. That's because it's a little early. In the next couple of days, we will upload the data from spring 2020. So you'll see a couple bullet points for each of these assessments. You'll see the fall and the spring data most likely. So just give it a couple of days and you'll see that there. But just a quick note in case you're wondering why that doesn't show 2020 data. But that's how you find your data in WIDS. If you have any questions, please email me and let me know. Bye.